Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha narrates that a Jewish man named Labid bin Asim cast a spell on Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. As a result, Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam began to think that he had done something which he had not actually done. After persistently making supplications, Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was informed by Allah about the matter. One day, two men came to him. One of them sat on his right side and the other on his left side. The one on the right side asked other about the illness of the man on the left, and the response was that the man was afflicted with magic. When asked about the source of the magic, it was revealed that it was done during a comb and the hair that falls off. The magic item were placed in a well with date palm fibers. Curious about the whereabouts of these items, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and some of his companions went to a well called Arwan. After reaching there, he informed Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha that the water in the well looked like the color of henna, and that there were trees around the well, which seemed to be the deads of devils. Upon Hazrat Aisha's suggestion to burn the items, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied that Allah had cured him, and he did not want to spread evil and mischief. Subsequently, following Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam's command, all the items were buried. Musnad Ahmad, Hadith number 23209.